What is up, guys? Will you look at that? Not the fact that I just turned the car on and the engine's cold and, you know, still leveling out the idle. But what I'm pointing out is there's no tire pressure light. No TPMS sensor blinking. That is awesome. Hey guys, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you're like me, the Z was older. This is a 2006, and that TPMS light has been on since I got it. Really the least of my problems, because this had a lot of other things I had to work through as I've been fixing the Z up here on the channel. But now that all that other stuff was clear, I wanted to get rid of the TPMS sensor, and the light anyway. And mine was not that the tires were low, it was just the batteries and the sensors are dead. They last about 8 to 10 years. This car's a 2006, they've been very dead for a long time. And I remember my dad had recently, about 2 years ago, replaced the sensors in his Z71 truck at Walmart. Now obviously the dealer prices are super expensive, and you know, you're looking at $100 to $150 per tire. Mine was going to hook me up and do it for $100 per tire installed, and with, you know, tax, it was going to be over $450, $460, something like that. And I'm like, no. And if you're like me, that's just a lot of money to spend on something that really doesn't matter. It's just a light, you know, it doesn't really do much. But anyway, I took a chance on Walmart because my dad did it 2 years ago, and they've held up great. Walmart installs tire pressure sensors for $28, give or take on your area, but my area is $28 installed. That's like, you know, plus a little bit of tax, but you're $30 essentially, okay, per tire. So all 4 of them you can be done for $120. That is awesome. It's a universal aftermarket part, and it works for most vehicles. So even if you don't have a Nissan Z like me, again, my dad has a Chevy pickup truck, it works for a lot of vehicles. They can tell you if it'll work for yours or not. So it's worth checking in there, giving it a shot. And again, his have been going strong for 2 years. I waited this long to do this video. I actually had them put in 6 months ago, like last September, and that was 5 months, but almost 6 months now. And yeah, they've been going strong. I didn't do this video initially because I wanted to make sure it was actually going to hold up, that it was going to work, because I believe in telling you guys about things that work and not just blowing smoke. So they're still going strong. It's reading, the light's gone, everything's working like it's supposed to. So highly recommend, whether your batteries are just dead in your sensors and you're wanting to get rid of that light, or if you have an extra set of wheels, maybe you have snow tires, summer tires, and you want to have sensors in both, or just aftermarket wheels. Maybe you're just getting some new wheels for your car. You want to leave your factory sensors in your other wheels for when you sell it, or if you put them back, whatever. This is an affordable way to get rid of that light and have functional TPMS sensors. So if this was helpful to you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.